Let's look at more examples on composite mapping. We are going to solve this example if F and G are mappings. If F and G are mappings defined over the set of real numbers by f of x is equal to x plus 1, x plus 2, and g of x is equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 1 respectively, find the value of x for which f of g is equal to g of x is equal to g of f. If f and g are mappings defined over the set of real numbers by f of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 2x raised to the power 2 plus 1 respectively, find the value of x for which f of g is equal to g of f. Now solution. What we are required to do in this question is to find the value of f of g and find the value of g of f, and equate two of them, and then we look for the value of x. Now let's look for f of g. The first one, fg is the same thing as f of g, which is equal to f in brackets g of x. Now this is equal to f in bracket, we put expression for g of x, which is equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 1. Now we use this expression to replace x in f. Now our f is equal to x plus 2. So we put the value for g of x to replace this x. So it becomes 2x raised to power 2 plus 1, which is g of x, then plus 2. Now that gives us 2x raised to power 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is now equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 3. This is f of g. Now we look for g of f. F is equal to g of f, which is equal to g in brackets f of x. Now this means we put the expression for f of x. It becomes g in brackets f of x is x plus 2. So we use this x plus 2 to replace every x in g of x. G of x is equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 1. So it becomes, when we put this expression to replace x, it becomes 2 brackets x plus 2 raised to power 2. X here has power of 2 raised to power 2 plus 1. We simplify this and we have 2 brackets. If we simplify x plus 2 raised to power 2, what we are going to get, let's say, let me simplify it. X plus 2, it means x plus 2 bracket x plus 2, which is equal to this come to this and coming to this also, then 2 come to this and coming to this also, so it becomes x raised to power 2 plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, which is equal to x raised to power 2 plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so this is the value for x plus 2 squared. Now for now it now means that g g it now means that 2x plus this expression here now, this expression now is now going to be 2 brackets x raised to power 2 plus 4x plus 4. This is after simplification of this, so that is representing this, then plus 1 plus 1. Now that gives us, this will give us, if we simplify it, we get 2x raised to power 2 plus 8x plus 8 plus 1, and it will give us 2x raised to power 2 plus 8x plus 9. 8x plus 9. Now this is the value for g of f. Now the question says that we should find x, and I said that they say for g of x is equal to f of g is equal to g of f. So that means we are going to equate the two equations, the two composite functions. So we are going to have g f of g is equal to g of f becomes equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 3 is equal to 2x raised to power 2 plus 8x plus 9 plus 9. Now we equate two of them like this. Now after equating two of them, then we can now find x by saying, let's collect like terms. We have 2x raised to power 2 minus 2x raised to power 2 plus 8, okay, minus 8x, or let's move it to this side, then minus plus 8x is equal to 3 minus 9 is equal to 3 minus 9, that is 9 coming to this side. Then it becomes, this is plus 2x raised to power 2 minus 2x raised to power 2, so this one becomes 0. then it becomes 8x is equal to 3 minus 9. 8x is equal to 3 minus 9. So we have that 8x is equal to 3 minus 9, and that gives us that 8x is equal to minus 6, and x is equal to minus 6 over 8. Minus 6 over 8. Then our x is equal to minus 3 over 4. This is the answer. So x is equal to minus 3 over 4.